Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change your privacy settings on a specific server on Discord. So select the server name here and then select privacy settings, and here is where you can change your privacy settings. So for instance, you don't want to allow direct messages from other members on the server. You're just going to turn this off, and it will be filtered though if they are not your friends. So you have this on. I do have these enabled because why not? You can also show your activity status in this server as well, and you can enable activity joining. So for instance, you're playing a game and on Discord or other apps, I'm not quite sure, but people are able to join by just pressing join on your profile if you're playing a game or stuff like that. But I have basically these two on and these two off, and just press done once you are done with that. That is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section and down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.